In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar widget. Whether you're looking to make your schedule more accessible or want to add a touch of interactivity to your website, embedding a Google Calendar is a wonderfully efficient way to keep everything organized and visible. Let's delve into how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to gain access to your calendar settings. Open Google Calendar in your browser and navigate to the left panel. Here, you should see a list of all calendars linked to your account. Identify the specific calendar that you'd like to embed. Once you've found it, hover over its name. You'll notice three vertical dots appearing right next to it. Go ahead and click on them, which will bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. By doing this, you open up a suite of customization and privacy options that allow you to tailor how your calendar is shared and viewed. Next, you'll need to obtain the embed code, which will act as the blueprint for your calendar widget. Scroll down within the settings page until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. In this section, there will be a field titled Embed Code. Google provides a default preview of how this embedded calendar will look, but here's the exciting part. You can customize it further, change the size of the calendar, tweak the color scheme to match your website's aesthetics, or even set the default view to day, week, or month depending on what suits you best. Once satisfied with the display options, you're ready to move on to the next step. With your customization complete, it's time to copy the embed code. This code is crucial as it contains all the information needed to display your calendar in the format you specified. Google makes this process incredibly straightforward. Simply click on the button labeled Copy Code. Now, this code acts as your widget's HTML snippet, effectively a tiny segment of web language that will instruct a web page to display your schedule. Finally, it's time to bring your widget to life by pasting the copied embed code into the desired location. Perhaps you're adding it to your personal blog, a company website, or even a team collaboration platform. Wherever it is, simply navigate to the place where you can input HTML. Paste the code right there. Once you've done this, the Google Calendar widget will appear and start displaying the events and schedules from the calendar you selected. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently embed a Google Calendar widget anywhere you desire. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!